And while underwater kelp forests support an incredible range of plant and animal life, making them one of the most biodiverse ecosystems in the ocean. They also play a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. But kelp is showing signs of a decline worldwide, often due to the impact of climate change. Our next story tells you more.
In Australia, new funding has been allocated to continue an innovative project that involves growing young kelp in labs and replanting it in areas devastated by sea urchins. On the surface, these waters seem calm and serene, but sea urchins are creating chaos on the sea floor.
These barren areas are quite striking in that they really are barren. There's not a lot growing there. They're kind of devoid of the typical healthy marine life that you'd expect to find.
The golden kelp forests of Port Phillip Bay are steadily being destroyed by the sea urchins. These divers are University of Melbourne researchers, and they are here to count the voracious sea creatures. Researchers estimate there's about 130 million of these urchins currently in Port Phillip Bay. Sea urchins have always been in this location, but for many reasons, their population has dramatically increased in the past decades.
You change the balance in the natural system and then, things get out of balance.
To restore that balance, the researchers and the non-profit Nature Conservancy started growing baby kelp in a laboratory before re-implanting it here in the bay. The team is testing a variety of methods to re-implant the seaweed. In some locations, they remove the urchins on a regular basis. The kelp in this area was planted about a year ago. 400,000 baby kelp have been planted by the team in the first 2 years of their work, including here. And their effort is already showing positive results with the kelp spreading and flourishing in what used to be barren land.
So when we plant these out, they're about up to 5 millimeters in size, so they're pretty little. We can just see them with our eyes. And we see some pretty rapid growth. It's quite a satisfying species to watch.
The bay is also home to some healthy kelp forests and other seaweed species, and marine life is also thriving. The researchers are sharing their findings with others around the world and locally too. Other species of kelp, like giant kelp in Tasmania, are being destroyed by the effects of climate change and warming waters.